Okay, I just got my party pack and I'm ready to open it. So here we go. Ooh. So we got the Lay's and I think these are the hair clips. Got the pineapple ice cube trays and the straws. And we got the bag coming in purple, pink, and blue, which is pretty cool. And the gift card. So I'm all set and ready to go for next Saturday. Woo!